US President Donald Trump is right now in North Carolina holding his fourth rally this week as the campaign of Democratic rival Joe Biden is thrown a curveball with his running mate Kamala Harris facing a COVID scare. US correspondent Tim Harvey is in Washington DC for us. And Tim, how will this impact Biden's race to the White House?
Well, Ali, it means that Joe Biden loses his running mate who is unable to campaign out on the road until next week. And that's because two of her campaign team have tested positive to coronavirus. One, her communications director, and another, a flight crew who worked with the campaign team. Now, Joe Biden's campaign, they say that Kamala Harris has not had any close contact with the pair in the 48 hours before their coronavirus positive test and has not had any close contact with them since. But in an abundance of caution, they are suspending travel until at least Monday. Now, Donald Trump, he's on the stage in North Carolina giving a rally. He addressed that coronavirus test a short time ago, saying he sends his thoughts to Kamala Harris and wishes her the best. Also saying that's more than they did for me, but that's okay. He's speaking there in North Carolina, holding that another rally, despite new predictions showing there could be 240,000 coronavirus deaths by early November. Here's a little bit more of what he had to say on stage a short time ago about these town halls that are going to be holding tonight. He's saying that the moderators at NBC are going to be unfair and are setting him up.
They gave Joe Biden a week ago a town hall, and it was meant for children. In fact, speaking of Barron Trump, fully recovered in like a record time, Barron Trump would do great on that show.
So many here in the US are saying we're back to where we were in the first presidential debate, with two men talking over each other at the same time, only this time they'll be on different TV channels. Ali?
Yeah, that won't be a mess, will it? Thanks, Tim.